Improving patient comfort, top 10 hospital devices. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of hospital comfort devices that play a crucial role in patient care and satisfaction. You see it all the time in my videos, patients in hospital beds. And maybe you wonder what all those things are around them. Well, those devices, those pillows, those braces, they're not just there for show. They're essential for helping patients feel more comfortable and heal more effectively. We're going to break down the top 10 most common ones you'll find in a hospital room. So, whether you're a curious patient, a concerned family member, or just someone who wants to learn more about the healthcare field, stick around. First up are backrests, something I'm sure you've seen in hospitals or even used at home. These are adjustable, padded supports that help patients sit up in bed. Now, you might think, what's the big deal about sitting up? Well, it actually helps a lot. It can alleviate pressure on the lungs, making it easier to breathe, especially important for patients who've been lying down for a long time. Plus, it helps with digestion, something that can be a real issue for hospitalized patients. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Backrests also allow patients to interact more comfortably with visitors, read, or even just watch TV, which can go a long way in improving their mood and overall well-being. Next, we have knee rests. These are pretty self-explanatory. They provide support and elevation for the legs, which can be a lifesaver for patients dealing with leg injuries, circulation problems, or even just general discomfort from lying flat for too long. But here's the thing about knee rests. Proper positioning is key. You don't want them too high or too low. The goal is to find that sweet spot where it takes the pressure off the patient's lower back and promotes better blood flow. Now let's talk about footrests. They might seem simple, but they play a crucial role in preventing a condition called foot drop, where the foot muscles weaken and make it difficult to lift the foot. This can happen when patients are bedridden for a while, and trust me, it's not something you want to mess around with. Footrests help maintain proper foot alignment and prevent this painful condition. And here's a pro tip. Some footrests even come with built-in pressure relief features, which is especially beneficial for patients at risk of developing pressure ulcers. Chapter 4. Bed cradles. Taking the pressure off. Ever had a cast on your leg or foot? Remember how heavy blankets felt on that injured limb? That's where bed cradles come in. They're these lightweight frames that attach to the bed and lift the weight of blankets and sheets off the patient's body, specifically their legs and feet. This is super important for patients with burns, skin grafts, or any other injuries where pressure or friction can be incredibly painful or even delay healing. Chapter 5. Bed blocks. A simple solution for a range of needs. Bed blocks are exactly what they sound like, sturdy blocks that go under the bed legs to adjust the height or angle of the bed. They might seem simple, but they're incredibly versatile. Need to elevate a patient's head to help with breathing? Bed blocks. Need to improve circulation in the legs? Bed blocks to the rescue. They're also really helpful for patients who have difficulty getting in and out of bed, making the process a little easier and safer. Chapter 6. Sandbags. More than meets the eye. Sandbags, those heavy little sacks, are often used in hospitals for immobilization. Think of them like gentle weights that help keep a specific body part still, especially after surgery or an injury. They're particularly useful for fractures, sprains, or even just to help reduce swelling. Now, you might not think of sandbags as comfort devices, but by limiting movement and providing support, they can actually help reduce pain and discomfort for patients. Chapter 7. Air cushions, like sitting on a cloud. Air cushions are like portable pressure relievers. They're filled with air, which conforms to the shape of the patient's body, distributing their weight more evenly and reducing pressure points. This is crucial for preventing pressure ulcers, especially for patients who spend a lot of time sitting or lying down. You'll often see air cushions used on wheelchairs, chairs, and even in bed. Chapter 8. Rubber and cotton rings, small but mighty. Don't underestimate the power of rubber or cotton rings. These simple, inexpensive devices are placed around bony areas like the heels, elbows, or even the back of the head to relieve pressure and prevent sores. They're especially helpful for patients who are bedridden or have limited mobility. Chapter 9. Air and water mattresses. Next level pressure relief. Air and water mattresses take pressure redistribution to a whole new level. These specialized mattresses are filled with either air or water, and they constantly adjust to the patient's body, providing continuous pressure relief. This is essential for patients at high risk of developing pressure ulcers, like those with spinal cord injuries, severe burns, or who are critically ill. Chapter 10. Hot water bags, an old remedy still going strong. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Hot water bags have been used for ages to provide warmth and soothe aches and pains. The gentle heat from a hot water bag can be incredibly comforting, especially for patients experiencing muscle stiffness, menstrual cramps, or even just feeling cold. Plus, they're drug-free and non-invasive, which makes them a safe and effective option for a wide range of patients. Chapter 11. Splints, keeping things in place. Last but not least, we have splints. These rigid or semi-rigid devices are used to immobilize and support injured limbs or joints. You'll commonly see them used for fractures, sprains, and after surgeries. Splints help keep the injured area stable, which is crucial for proper healing and pain management. So there you have it, our top 10 hospital comfort devices. These devices might seem simple, but they play a vital role in patient care, helping to alleviate pain, prevent complications, and promote healing. And remember, a comfortable patient is more likely to be a happy patient, and a happy patient is more likely to have a smoother recovery. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content on healthcare and patient care. And as always, stay happy and healthy.